Ever been hip to jump into a clutch VALORANT match with your squad, only to be met by that dreaded, never-ending loading screen? You know the one. Agent selected, map loading, and then nothing. Just an eternal loop, mocking your gaming ambitions, while your friends are probably already farming enemies without you. It's incredibly frustrating, making you wonder if your game is completely broken or if you're doomed to just stare at JIT for eternity. Don't worry, you're absolutely not alone in this digital purgatory, and thankfully it's usually not a death sentence for your gaming session. In this video we're diving deep into the most common reasons why VALORANT gets stuck, and more importantly, we're giving you the ultimate arsenal of quick and effective fixes to get you back into the action, securing those headshots and clutch plays in no time. Stick around, because we're about to banish that loading screen nightmare for good. Alright, before we dive into anything complex, let's start with the oldest trick in the book, the good old restart. Sometimes a quick refresh is all VALORANT needs to shake off whatever minor glitch is keeping it from loading. Try closing the game completely through Task Manager, then restart. It clears out temporary files and gives your system a fresh slate, often solving the problem instantly. Next up, let's talk internet. VALORANT is an online game, so a shaky connection can absolutely halt your loading progress. Do a quick check on your Wi-Fi, maybe restart your router, or even try connecting via an Ethernet cable. If you can establish low-latency connection, is super important for the game to properly communicate with the servers and load you into a match without a hitch. Sometimes VALORANT just needs a little more authority to do its job, or perhaps some game files got a bit wonky. First, try launching VALORANT as an administrator. Just right-click the icon and select Run as Administrator. If that doesn't work, head into the Riot client, find VALORANT, and use the Repair option to verify the game files. This checks for any corrupted or missing data and replaces it, which can be a lifesaver for loading issues. Finally, let's make sure everything under the hood is up to date. Outdated graphics drivers can often cause all sorts of display and loading issues with games, so check for the latest versions from NVIDIA and or Intel. Also double-check that VALORANT itself is fully updated through the Riot client, as new patches often include important bug fixes. Keeping everything current ensures maximum compatibility and performance, helping you avoid those stubborn loading screens.